First question, ICDS aims at providing supplementary nutrition to children. The aim of ICDS is to provide supplementary nutrition to children. It was formed in 1975 October 2nd. Integrated Child Development Scheme comes under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. ICDS was launched on the 106th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The main beneficiary of ICDS are children of 0 to 6 years of age, pregnant and lactating mothers, and adults and girls in backward rural areas, tribal areas, and urban chains. Second question, the Kudumbasri movement is launched in 1998. Kudumbasri movement launched in 1998 and it is inaugurated by Prime Minister A.B. Vajpayee in Malappuram. Kudumbasri started functioning in urban local bodies of the state on April 1st, 1999 and it is the largest women movement of Asia. Its web portal is Sri Shakti. The Destitute Rehabilitation Program designed by Kudumbasri is Asraya. The brand ambassador of Kudumbasri's organic farming is Manju Warrior. The cultural wing of Kudumbasri is Rangasri. Third question, Pradhana Mantri Adarsh Grama Yojana was initially implemented in Rajasthan. It was launched on 2010 July 23. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and launched during 11th 5-year plan. Pradhana Mantri Adarsh Grama Yojana was launched at 18 BB village in Srinagar district of Rajasthan. Pradhana Mantri Adarsh Grama Yojana (PMAGY) was launched by the central government for the development of villages having a higher ratio of people belonging to the scheduled caste. The main aim of the scheme is to build a Adarsh Gram model village which was adequate physical and institutional infrastructure in which minimum needs of all the sections of the society are fully met. Another objective is elimination of disparity between scheduled caste and other communities. Fourth question, Sambhurna Gramin Roskar Yojana is implemented by District, Block and Grama Panchayat. District, Block and Grama Panchayat implemented Sambhurna Gramin Roskar Yojana. It was launched on 2001 September 25 by A.B. Vajpayee during 9th 5-year plan. The fund sharing between center and state government are in the ratio 75:25. SGRY is also known as Universal Rural Employment Program. Sambhurna Gramin Roskar Yojana is aimed at providing gainful employment in rural areas. Fifth question, Antyodaya Anna Yojana AAY was launched on 2000 December 25, introduced in Rajasthan during the period of Prime Minister A.B. Vajpayee and during 9th 5-year plan. Antyodaya Anna Yojana was implemented for providing rice and wheat at low rate through public distribution system. AAY was implemented by Department of Food and Civil Supplies. It ensures food security for all and to reform and improve the public distribution system. Antyodaya list in rural areas are approved by Department of Rural Development and in urban areas are approved by Department of Urban Development. Sixth question, under Vampe, the dwelling unit shall be registered in the name of wife. Vampe was launched on 2001 December 2. Vampe was launched during the period of Prime Minister A.B. Vajpayee during 9th 5-year plan and it was launched at Hyderabad. The subsidy rate for the scheme is 50% by central government and 50% by state government. And Vampe scheme is to provide or upgrade the shelter for people living below the poverty line in urban slums. Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan is a component of Vampe scheme. Seventh question, MSY Mahila Samriddhi Yojana was launched in 1993. Mahila Samriddhi Yojana was launched in 1993, October 2nd. Under this scheme, any adult rural woman can open the MSY account in the post office with a minimum deposit of rupees 4 or in multiples of rupees 4, subject to a maximum of rupees 300. Eligibility criteria for MSY: the rural woman above 18 years. MSY was merged with the Mahila Swayam Siddha Yojana in 2001. The limit of microcredit to a beneficiary under Mahila Samriddhi Yojana scheme is rupees 25,000. The main aim behind the scheme are empowering the rural woman through building thrift habits, self-reliance and confidence. It also aims at encouraging the rural woman's habit of saving through post office. Eighth question. The eligible persons under the Indira Awas Yojana are freed bonded laborer and widows of defense personnel. Freed bonded laborer and widows of defense personnel are eligible persons under Indira Awas Yojana. Indira Awas Yojana was launched on 1985 May during the period of Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Indira Awas Yojana is related to the construction of rural housing and it was launched as sub-scheme of RLEGP. Indira Awas Yojana became a sub-scheme of Jawahar Rozgar Yojana in 1989. Ministry of Rural Development is responsible for governing this scheme. A software called Awas Soft was launched on 16th July 2010 to assist in improved administration of Indira Awas Yojana. The main sponsor of Indira Awas Yojana is central government and the fund sharing between center and state government are in the ratio 75:25. Indira Awas Yojana was implemented for the construction of houses free of cost to SC or ST and the poor below poverty line. Ninth question. NRDP is organized in 1992. NRDP, National Rural Development Program, is organized in 1992. The empowerment of poor by providing additional employment to the employed and underemployed persons is the main aim of NRDP. It is a non-governmental and non-profitable program. The main works under NRDP include construction of drinking water wells, community irrigation wells, village tanks, rural roads, Balavadi buildings, etc. 10th question. The self-employment venture to assist less educated and poor employed youth. PMRY, Prime Minister's Rozgar Yojana. Prime Minister's Rozgar Yojana is the self-employment venture to assist less educated and poor unemployed youth. It was launched on 1993 October 2nd. Central government is the sponsor of PMRY. PMRY scheme was administered by Ministry of Labour. PMRY was initially introduced in urban areas and it was merged with the Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program PMEGP with effect from April 1st, 2008. From April 1st, 1994 onwards, the scheme is being implemented throughout the country. The main aims of PMRY are giving self-employment to learned jobless youth age group of 18 to 40 years. PMRY provides subsidy at the rate of 15% of the project cost subject to a ceiling of rupees 7,500 per entrepreneur. After 1994-95, the self-employment scheme for the educated unemployed youth SEEUY was included in PMRY. Eligibility criteria. Educational qualifications for the scheme is 8th passed. Income of the beneficiary along with spouse or parents must not exceed rupees 40,000 per annum and should be a permanent resident of an area for at least 3 years. Like, share and subscribe if you like the video. See you all in the next video. Thank you.